think about the things we eat and throw out and what it, affects, not we specifically, the human population as a whole. We don't think about our own trash that we make and, waste that we make and where it goes and how it ends up, much less asking people to think about their snake shit and where it goes.
Yeah, I mean, well, I'll tell you what keeps me up at night. So I have on the property a ton of native fish.
To state that my little database could do anything close to that, but it is to say that I don't think that could happen without data in place for it.
And you're looking at populations as a whole, or specific? You're focusing on specific species.
Really, it would probably be relevant just to this specific species. So, and the other thing that we don't think about, we tend to think about our captive populations as isolated and irrelevant to wild populations. But one of the things that has been a kind of a rude awakening studying some of these pathogen stuff is that